Welcome to Self-Service. This video will give you step-by-step instructions on how to access Self-Service Proxy for your student. The first step is to open the email that you would have received from the Mount St. Mary's IT Service Desk. This email will let you know that your student has identified you as their proxy and has given you access to their student account in Self-Service. The first email that you will have received will include your username. You will receive a second email that will give you your password and also a link to Self-Service Proxy. Please be sure to read the emails that you receive thoroughly and follow the instructions. After clicking the link from your email, you will be presented with a username page for you to log in. At this time is when you will enter the username that was given to you in the email. Then click Continue. You will then be presented with a window for your password. Please enter the password as it was given to you in the second email that you received. And then click Sign In. After you have logged in successfully, you will be prompted to change your password immediately. At this time, you should enter in the username, your current password, the one that was sent to you in the email, and you will then have the opportunity to choose a new password and confirm the new password. After you've entered in all of this information, choose Change Password. If you are prompted with an error, that means that you have not followed all of the instructions on how to create your password. It is important to follow the requirements as shown. Simply re-enter the information and try again. You will then receive a notice that your password has been successfully changed, and now you can log in using your new password to continue. You will now use your username and your new password and click Sign In. You can now choose your student and click Continue. You are now on the home page of Self-Service. As you can see, you are logged in acting on behalf of your student. At this time, you will have access to the tools that your student gave you access to. In this example, you have student accounts, tax information, financial aid, and grades. After you are finished reviewing the information that you need, it is important to sign out of the record to protect the security for you and the student. Thank you.